Hi, how are you? So, cool and easy nail art design ideas for the stylish girl. The best thing about being a woman is that I can style myself from the head to a T, and no one can found the odd. Apart from fabulous clothing and makeup, I can even paint my nails. How lucky we women are. Nail painting take immense patience, and somehow I found this acute completely true. The woman is helpless when her nail polish is drying out. Yet many times my nail polish do turn bad, bad luck of a pension. Yet I do try from beautifying my nails. My love for nail polish made me hunt of unique designs which I could style on my nails, and that's when my Instagram was flooded with nail art designs. Nail art is the biggest trend now, and many for use feel the designs are complex and taxing. But he, but hi, the nail art is super easy, and the end result is perfect. Do not believe me. The continue reading our post where we share with your unique uncompleted and trouble free nail art what would which would make you say wow, and every girl ask you how. Who could think bandage called to a tool for nail art? But creativity has no boundaries. So far, beginner, this art would be completely helpful. Steps: point your nail is your safe shade, and yet it try. Apply holeless bandage on top your printed nails, and you use different shade and fall the holes. Remove the bandage and your wood secured spot on your nails. You can try the